What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida Realtor here with MVP Realty, a 2-for-1 video today. I am at 1401 Southwest 49th Terrace. An agent asked me to do an open house here tomorrow. I asked them if I could do a home tour. They said yes, so here we are. Tomorrow, March 19th from 11 to 2, and Sunday, March 20th, 11 to 2, I will have an open house here at 1401 Southwest 49th Terrace. So what I'm gonna do, take you guys in, quick tour, let you take a look at the property, and we'll see you after the video. All right, guys, here we go. We have a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a den, beautiful tile throughout. Here is the den, open kitchen, granite countertops, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Gorgeous living area. Little dining room over here. Take you guys out to the pool in a few minutes. Looking at about 1,800 square feet, corner lot, deep southwest. As I said before, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, den, assessments paid, corner lot, pool home, close to Cape Harbor. What more could you ask for? Take you guys over to the guest bathroom here, pool bath, bedroom number 1, laundry room is right here, bedroom number 2, again, all plank tile throughout. Take you guys to the garage. We have a 3-car garage, epoxy floor, high ceilings in here. Oh, and the property was CO'd in December of 2020. So definitely a newer home. I'm gonna head over to the master and then out to the pool area. Plenty of lighting, high ceilings. Normally when I do these videos, as you guys know, if you've watched any of them, I put music on. Wanted to get this one out pretty quick because the open house will be tomorrow and Sunday, 19th and 20th, 11 to 2. Tray ceiling, good size master. Take you guys into the owner's bathroom. Amazing shower. And dual sinks. Very, very nice tile, as you can see. Go ahead and run out to the pool area real quick. Pavered out back. Big lanai, plenty of lanai under truss. And here we have sun shelf. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. It's about 85 degrees and sunny, mid-March. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the home tour / open house advertising video. I will be here tomorrow, which is March 19th, and Sunday, March 20th from 11 to 2. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll put some links in the description box. Trying to think here of anything else that I missed. Assessments paid. I'll put some specs of the property as well. If you have questions, as always, shoot me a text, give me a call, send me an email, and we will see you at the open house or on the next video.